Sweet Mint here. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry if you hear any background noise. I am recording this by a window because we all know sunlight is the best lighting. So yeah. When I'm recording this video, if I have my mascot in videos before this, which I probably don't. Well, first of all, I'd like to explain, since I probably haven't made an explaining video. I am rebranding my channel. Just a minute. So I am rebranding my channel, and it is going to be called LPS Sweet Mint. And I am working on my mascot at the moment, so sorry that I don't have a mascot yet. And no, this is not my mascot, so yeah. My mascot is going to be a custom. Yeah, sorry about the background noises again. Also, my sister's taking a shower right now, so you can hear her music. Alright, getting on with the video. So today, basically, I'm going to be showing you how to make temporary LPS tattoos. Sorry, I'm not moving my LPS's head right now. I forgot to put the clothes on my other LPS, like their colors or whatever. So I'll just be right back while I do that. Sorry, I was just running. But here are two very bad examples of what the tattoo might look like. Now I'm going to tell you what you need after I catch my breath. So I don't have the actual tape that I need to use, but it really doesn't matter what kind of tape you use. Just the best tape is regular Scotch tape. But I have wall safe Scotch tape and packing tape. This one is packing tape and this one's wall safe tape. So I'm probably gonna do both of them actually. Actually, I'll probably just do the packing tape one because the tape doesn't show as much. So yeah, you're gonna need some tape. It really doesn't matter what tape, but the best tape is Scotch tape. And if you don't have Scotch tape, some packing tape will work. But then again, I don't know how many times I can say this, but you can use any tape. You're going to need some scissors, and kids under the age of, I don't know, 9, 10, ask for your parents' permission before you use scissors, and ask for your parents to help you. And if you're using packing tape, you'll probably need a Sharpie, and I have a Sharpie right here. But if you're using, and you'll probably need it for Scotch tape too, but for the packing, for the wall safe Scotch tape, I just use this pen. It's just a regular pen. It really doesn't matter what kind of pen it is. So yeah, now I'm going to be using these two LPS. I'm going to put wall safe tape on this one and packing tape on this one, and yeah, I will get everything set up and see you guys in a couple seconds. To say, you're obviously going to need an LPS to put it on, so yeah. Alright, so first you're going to want to take off a piece of tape, which for the first one, I'm using packing tape. And then you're going to want to cut it in whatever way you'd like. I'm not exactly sure what mine is going to be. I think I'm just going to make it like a little heart thing. Maybe like 2 hearts or something. So I'm just going to cut off like a little blob thing. Go away, cat. Sorry, my cat's being turkey. Trying to jump out the window. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard to cut this? Sorry if I'm like not putting it on camera. It's not really that important how you cut it. So just cut it in the shape of your tattoo. Similar to the shape. This is not the shape that I was going for at all. It's going for more of a blob. It's not a blob though. Oh my gosh, cat, go away. Crazy cat. Okay, so I'm going to be putting this on his back leg, basically his butt, right there. So, right here, and you just stick it onto the LPS. I very much suggest putting it on the LPS before you draw on it because you'll have to wait a while to let it dry, and I prefer to wait with it drying on the LPS because I just want to get the drawing done already. I thought my cat was farting, but he's just tearing up the chair. That stupid cat tearing up the chair. Okay, I'm just gonna move these scissors out of the way. So now I'm gonna take a Sharpie. I don't know if anything else works. Nothing else has really worked for me. Only the Sharpie has. So, I have like a super fine tip Sharpie, not one of the regular Sharpies. I'm just gonna have to like move the camera to draw this if you guys want to see me draw this, which you probably won't even be able to see. I'm just gonna draw 2 hearts on his butt, so yeah. So there should be some music playing right now, so that you're not like super bored. Hopefully you're doing this along with me. And if you are doing this along with me, go check out my Instagram linked in the description and post it on Instagram and link or tag me in your post so I can see your guys' post. Sorry, that's not on camera at all. So that's what mine looks like. It's pretty rough. I'm just doing this pretty quickly. I don't know if you can color it, by the way. I literally don't know. I've never tried, but today I'm going to. So you guys are gonna join me in my journey of coloring. So I'm pretty sure that gel pens will work. So I have my colored gel pens, and I also have my Copics, and I'm gonna try both of them. So I'm pretty sure that the Copics are only gonna work on the roll safe tape, but I don't really know. So yeah, and you guys get to see me color it too, which you probably won't even be able to see. Yeah, anyways. Okay, that should be bright enough for you to see it. Sorry, I have to keep pulling my sleeves up. I'm gonna draw the big one green and the little one green. I'm gonna color them both green, but I'm gonna make the big one with the gel pen. I'm not so sure about how this is gonna dry or if it's really working because I think gel pens are actually water-based. So maybe I should color the little one green with the gel pen. Yeah, it's not really working with this. That's what it looks like because it's great. You guys can't really see that. Let me see. Sorry, they're like clouds in front of the sun right now, but you still can't really see it. There we go. Yeah, it's really like watery. You know, like when you put water on tape and it just sits on top of the tape and doesn't like soak in? Yeah, that's what it's doing. And now I'm gonna try using my Copics. I feel like the Copics are gonna work better for the packing tape because they are alcohol based. So yeah. By the way, I'm using the color GO2. Can't really see it. I can like barely see it. There you go. Spectrum green. I got these in the doodling kit of Copics, and the pens are Jelly Roll Moonlight. This one is, they're size 10 by the way. I'm not exactly sure what color this is. I think it's that number right there, 38168. Yeah, it's like a bright green. It doesn't really have a name, but yeah. If you guys were wondering. And the other one is just ultra fine point Sharpie permanent marker. So yeah, if you guys were wondering, which you probably weren't because a Sharpie is a Sharpie. Yeah, I don't feel like this is really working either. I'm just trying to color like the outside of the horse even to see if it'll come off at all, but it's not really working. But I bet you that Sharpies will work. So let me go grab some Sharpies. I'm back. I have some Sharpies. I have regular Sharpie, ultra fine point Sharpie, and a metallic Sharpie. Just see all of them. Like, now I'm just gonna move the Copics tokens out of the way because they don't work. So yeah, I'm gonna use the green one on the little heart. So you might wanna watch me. So I'm just gonna move green. And yeah, it worked. It may be like really hard for you guys to see that. So yeah, and I'm gonna color the other one pink metallic, even though it already has coloring on it. That's fine. Okay. Yep, those both worked. I'm kind of expecting those to work though, because the black Sharpie works on here rather than the regular Sharpies. So, yeah, that's what his tattoo looks like. You can't really see it because the light is so harsh. There you go. Okay, now I'm just gonna move all this out of the way, and I'm gonna set everything up for this guy. I'll probably just do like the same tattoo on him or something. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for him. Okay, so obviously you're gonna need your piece of tape. Again, I don't know how many times I'm gonna say this. This is wall safe Scotch tape because we had to tape things to our wall, and yeah, don't want to ruin the paint. So you're gonna need this. And now I'm just going to cut it out. Hopefully not on camera. I think I'm gonna try and draw a flower, 2 flowers on him. Actually, I just had another idea. So yeah, I'm gonna go with my other idea now. I'm gonna give him 2 tattoos. Yeah, 2 tattoos. So there we go. I'm gonna use these 2 pieces. Stick them right there. And now I'm gonna stick them to him. So I'm gonna stick this one by his eye. This tiny one right here. I probably should have made it smaller so that it wouldn't like be so annoying and stand out so much, but that's okay. So you just like squeeze that on there. Try and get all the bubbles out, which I'm not gonna be able to do, by the way. Also, sorry about my dog barking in the background. And my brother moving around in his chair a whole bunch because he's loud. And now I'm gonna put one on his arm, right here. Alright, now to draw my LPS. So I'm gonna move the screen again so that you guys can see what I'm doing. This one's pretty simple. It's just like a teardrop. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Come to speak with you once again. Awkward. Okay. What am I gonna do? Oh, right, I was gonna do a flower. I think I'm gonna like draw a flower and then like draw some vines coming off the flower around his arm. It's gonna be like one of those sleeve tattoos, you know? No? This looks really bad. That's okay, because this is like really quick. If you want it to look super good, then you'll probably take a longer time at it. I'm just gonna draw some petals and some leaves. And there is my terrible tattoo, which you can't even see because I put them over too far. So yeah, now I'm just gonna color his arm tattoo with some other Sharpies. For the other ones, I'll be using these 2 different colors of blues. So, yeah. kind of just looks like I'm coloring it in black because this blue is so dark. But that's okay, you know? That is okay. And then I'm just gonna add some blue dots around to make it more colorful. And there you have it. Finished with all my tattoos. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make LPS temporary tattoos. And if you really want to, you can also reuse these, which I wouldn't. I would just make new ones. But, I mean, if you want to, you can. So, I'm going to take this off his face. See, you just, whenever you're done with it and you don't want it on your LPS anymore, just peel it right off. And there are no markings left on your LPS. By the way, sorry how dirty this LPS is. It's kind of nasty, but... And you can also move it to your other LPS if you really wanted to. Ta-da! Now you can see how bad that is in better quality. And yeah, I'm going to move this one onto this LPS. And by the way, I don't recommend leaving them on for a super long time because it may, if you do for a long time, it may leave sticky residue on your LPS because of the tape. But that's only if you leave it on for a long time. There you go. There you have it. That is how you make LPS temporary tattoos. Oh, okay, yeah.